Hello, we're Design Maker. Today, I suddenly got the idea of making an Oreo-shaped fidget spinner while eating Oreo cookies. So I decided to give it a try. Shall we meet up to see it? I will try to print using both FDM and resin materials. First, I printed the black Oreo using resin. Did it come out well like an Oreo? The supports were easy to remove as well. Now, it's time to insert the necessary parts into the fidget spinner. It's hard to put the bearing in the hole because I made it tight so that it doesn't come out when the bearing is inserted. Therefore, I'll use a hammer to fit it in. Well, it doesn't have to be a hammer, I can press them in two. Honestly, I find it tiresome to do it one by one. I'll just put everything in and give it a good tap. Just make sure not to push too hard. After inserting the parts, let's try assembling it. I designed the resin print to be an integrated piece, so I don't need to insert a bolt in the center. The protruding part in the center fits into the bearing, so I'll press it together during assembly. Let's give it a spin. It spins smoothly. Next, I'm going to try making a white version. This time, I'll use FDM and insert the center bolt. I'll remove the supports first. The connection part for the center bolt is a bit large, so I'll sand it down and try fitting it. Alright, let's give it a tap with the hammer to get it in place. Perfect, it fits nicely. I'll insert the bolt in the center groove and also add the nut and bearing. Finally, just assemble everything one by one. Put on the nut, tighten it well, and it's done. How does it look? Pretty simple, right? It spins really well. Now, to make it look like an Oreo, I'll change the color of the center rotating part. I'll disassemble the fidget spinner I assembled earlier. Then, I'll switch the pieces to create the Oreo-like design. Well, what do you think? Does it really look like an Oreo? Now, let's see which one spins better. How long do you think they'll spin? The white Oreo made with the bolt seems to spin longer. Isn't it cute and appetizing? You can make it in various colors too. Which one do you think is the real Oreo? I hope you enjoyed watching this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye!